We received these drill bits so that we could try them out, and so far we think they're pretty impressive.
This is a watertight case. It fits into a cup holder in the truck. I already loaded one into the drill, but look how impressive that is. That's the one I'm missing. And
Missing because it's in there.
let's see how good it works. It says a couple things about it. It says it's M2 grade high-speed steel. It says it starts off really easy. You don't need to pre-drill them. And there's less burrs and stuff like that.
Straighter, cleaner, faster, which is always good.
Obviously, wood is probably going to work pretty easy.
You notice too, these drill bits are multicolored.
Let's try a piece of ceramic tile.
Give me your hand.
You can't.
Oh.
Come up closer.
Okay.
See how hot it got? Look how...
Oh yeah, that's
And back it chips a lot, but in the front it did fine.
awesome.
Let's
Try some metal.
metal.
Woo! That's interesting.
It gets hot. Obviously, don't touch this until it cools down.
Very nice. Looks good.
Should I try anything else? They got double edges. That way it doesn't slip in the chuck. They're flat on one end, flat here. Sometimes you get drill bits that are completely round and they slip a...
All right, we're gonna try a piece of PVC pipe. Very good.